Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a small review of this Anspo full HD kit. It's an 8 channel fully Wi-Fi kit. This is actually the model number over here. Anspo 8 channel Wi-Fi kit. The packaging, the way it comes in. Fully Wi-Fi. This is the features that in case it has. There we go. Alright. So ideally, I have a client that wanted a full CCTV system, but did not want to have cables inside the home. So I recommended this kind of product over here. You can find it actually in Nairobi for a few thousand shillings. Let me just show you how it looks, how the units look like. Alright, this is the DVR itself. This is how the this is how the NVR looks like. Pretty simple, pretty solid. My camera to zoom in here. As I read my camera to zoom in here. Here's the way it looks like. Yes, this is the bottom side of it, as you can see. That is also the model number for it. Looks like this. This unit comes with a 1 TB hard disk. Comes with a 1 TB hard disk. And this is the camera itself. This is how the cameras look like. Pretty neat, right? They look pretty solid. It's purely some form of the stand here. The holder here is actually metallic, but the camera itself looks like it's semi-plastic, semi-metallic, but it's actually hard. It's quite hard, eh? And it has infrared, it has night vision, but it's black and white. The night vision is actually black and white. There we go. I've actually hooked it all up. This unit needs a direct connection to the Wi-Fi. Okay, as you can see behind here, the NVR itself does not have the wireless capabilities. You have to actually hook a cable up to it. All right, that is the power, the USB port, then the RJ45, that's a cable, and then the HDMI for picture output. Okay, that's what it looks like. Just give you a snip. I was just trying to configure this camera. One of the cameras is actually malfunctioning. Let's go back to the main menu over here. Alright, here's a brief overview of how it looks like. Some of the cameras have actually not yet connected, so once they're connected, this is the way it will look like. There are 8 of them, so that will be an 8 channel camera or DVR. CCTV kit. So this is the way it looks like. I actually love it since it's actually Wi-Fi. I actually like it though. For some reason, it looks really good. Really looks really good. It's actually supposed to go to the full screen. It actually goes to the full of the screen. I've just zoomed over here. So some of the cameras are actually indoor. You can see one of the cameras over there is connecting, it's trying to get the Wi-Fi connection. So some of these cameras are indoors and some of them are actually outdoor. So let me just show you what you actually need to do to get this thing working. As you can see out here, I don't know if my camera will be quite clear. Let me try and zoom in and zoom out a bit over here. As you can see, all you need is a power supply. There's like a power socket for you to power the camera, and then you hook it up to. This is how we have done some of the mountings over here. So looks pretty decent for us, but I'm going to take care of these cables. I'm going to do some cable management over here. These will not be the end results, but this is how you actually do it. You just need power, and that's it. And that's it. This is this is another camera. This is one of the other cameras that we have actually mounted on the wall. Again, this one just needs power, and it will be done. It's actually easy to set up. It's very easy to set up. All you just need is power, an internet connection, and you're done. Less than an hour you'll be done. That is if you exclude the mounting and everything, but setup is just next, done. Yeah. So yeah, here it is. Again, this is another sample. I am actually facing a difficulty in there is one of the cameras that actually malfunctioned over here that I'm actually trying to add back. So when I go to pair the IP camera, As you can see, the rest are connected, but these two are not yet connected. I'm trying to pair them over here, but it's actually proving to be a challenge. I don't know why. It's actually trying to pull, see, pairing, push the IPC button. It's actually it's giving me some bit of a headache over here. I don't know why, but I know I'm going to hack it very soon. I'm going to actually hack it very soon. We love errors as IT. We actually do love errors. We rely on errors for solving issues. But yeah, see, this is my main challenge. Connection timeout. Yes, I'm actually near the camera. As you can see, the camera is actually very near to the NVR, but for some reason it's not connecting. So if you're a viewer of this and you have a solution for this, I'll actually comment below, comment on the video, and I really love your comment, a solution for this. So again, I'll just go to an overview of the NVR. The NVR comes with only an RJ port, that's for internet port, a one port, a LAN, HDMI out, a VGA out, a USB maybe for connecting keyboard and mouse, and then a power supply. And then the NVR has two antennas. It comes with two antennas. It's a really lightweight NVR, really lightweight. So this model actually came with a 1 TB hard disk HDD, so I know sometime I need to upgrade, but yeah, for now this works. So I'm going to take a few photos for the rest of the cameras, how I've mounted them and how they look like, and maybe at the end of it all, once I'm able to add the rest of the cameras, I'll be able to show you the outcome. Alright. So hi guys, this is me after finishing up all the setup now. The last camera that was giving me trouble, I have been able to sort it out. Now this is me looking at my tablet here, moving along, looking for any blind spots, so that I can now be able to readjust the cameras if I see a particular blind spot. As you can see, I'm on this frame right here, and as I move forward, I meet my other camera over here, my other setup. So as I move out of this frame, I don't know if my camera angles are good, but as you can see, I appear on this other frame over here. And as I appear on this other frame, I move. As I move down, I appear also. I'm on this frame. If I move this way, I'm still captured on this frame. And if I move this other way, I appear on this other camera over here. Alright, so now I know those sections are guarded. There is no blind spot in any of those places. As I move forward, there's some places that we did not do the installation, so I'm going to pause there as I show more. Now, as I move forward, still looking for the blind spots. As I move forward, I meet my other camera where I get into frame, as you can see there. So ideally, so far there are no blind spots on this place. Everything looks good. Everything is perfect here, and that's how you do an 8-channel Wi-Fi CCTV installations.